Welcome to Learn English Quiz. Try this general knowledge quiz and find out how much you know about countable and uncountable nouns. Is the noun countable or uncountable? Let's get it started. Rain. Countable or uncountable? Rain is an uncountable noun. Fear. Countable or uncountable? Fear is an uncountable noun. House. Countable or uncountable? House is a countable noun. Rice. Countable or uncountable? Rice is an uncountable noun. Money. Countable or uncountable? Money is an uncountable noun. Love. Countable or uncountable? Love is an uncountable noun. Dog. Countable or uncountable? Dog is a countable noun. Anger. Countable or uncountable? Anger is an uncountable noun. Water. Countable or uncountable? Water is an uncountable noun. Car. Countable or uncountable? Car is a countable noun. Wind. Countable or uncountable? Wind is an uncountable noun. Fun. Countable or uncountable? Fun is an uncountable noun. Information. Countable or uncountable? Information is an uncountable noun. Milk. Countable or uncountable? Milk is an uncountable noun. Gold. Countable or uncountable? Gold is an uncountable noun. Cement. Countable or uncountable? Cement is an uncountable noun. Garbage. Countable or uncountable? Garbage is an uncountable noun. Luggage. Countable or uncountable? Luggage is an uncountable noun. Hair. Countable or uncountable? Be careful with the noun hair, which is normally uncountable, but it can be countable when referring to individual hairs. For example, I found a hair in my soup, which refers to one single hair. Or it can be uncountable, for example, she has long red hair. Thank you for watching. Hope you have fun.